The presidency has insisted that borrowing for necessary economic development is not a sin, especially when used appropriately. NaijaNews reports that President Bola Tinubu sent a request to the National Assembly seeking approval for additional external and domestic loans, totaling 34.15 trillion naira. And the move has generated outrage among political elites. However, Special Advisor to the President on Information and Strategy, Bayo Onanuga, during a presidential media interaction held in Lagos, stated that Nigeria is a poor country with a large population. Onanuga said people should not be focused on the borrowed funds, but on their implementation. He said, "We are a poor country with a large population. We must stop deceiving ourselves. Nigeria's budget is smaller than that of South Africa. We have to be realistic about what we can fund without borrowing." Speaking on the administration's economic strides, Onanuga said the government has made visible gains across microeconomic reforms and inclusive initiatives, while managing inherited economic constraints, citing public-private partnerships, PPPs, and innovative financing tools such as Infraco, tax credits, and matching funds. The presidency highlighted ongoing intervention aimed at economic inclusion, utilizing state governments to finance critical roads and housing projects. While this has sparked mixed reactions online, we'll continue to supply you more trendy news updates and exclusive videos. Share your thoughts in the comment box section below. And please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.